It's so pretty out here. Look at God. Look at God, man. He told the waves where to stop, man. He said you can't come. Look how they in ripples, but he told them just where to stop. He said you can't come no further than that right there. He said you can't come no further than that right there. This is Salisbury Beach. This is so pretty. Water kind of chocolate, but it's still beautiful, man. Whew, it's pretty out here, man. And it just stretch. Condos and stuff on the beach, man. It's beautiful out here. Look at it, man. Look at the waves coming. He told them just where to stop. It feels so good too. It feels good, man. Oh, that's a big one. I'm knee high up in it. It feels so good out here. It's another big one coming. I don't take my crazy self out here. I ain't got on no bathing suit. I'm out here. Yeah. Look at this. It's so pretty. Man, it's beautiful. I hope everybody. Where my stuff at? It's so pretty. Look at it. He told the waves where to stop. Y'all don't understand. God is amazing. It's all belong to God. Sinking my foot in this sand, man. It's so beautiful. It feels so good, man. Feels so good. God is so great. Happy Friday. Jesus lives. Jesus is amazing. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. I wanted to show y'all where I was at. It's very beautiful. What is that? It's a boat out there or something. Way out there. Man, it feels so good. I love it. Woo! That water deep, boy. That water deep. Oh, let's see. See y'all. See. I'm deep in this water, man. Whee! Look how deep I'm in this water. This feels so good. I want black girl running on this beach with all these vanilla people. I'm the one chocolate maniac running on the beach. At my Baywatch scene. My sanctified Baywatch scene. I just started praise dancing instead. Y'all, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Happy Friday. God bless. Mwah. Oh, no, I can't get out of here without. Look cute. Bye. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. I hope y'all enjoy Friday. I hope y'all get out. Go to the park, get some exercise, do something, go out to eat. Go check out the beauty of God's nature. Even if that's your pool, your backyard, get out and do something. When you get off work today, get out and do something. Man, y'all understand how beautiful. I should have got that. Man, it's so pretty.